Hey guys, it's Steph, and today I'm going to show you how to make spinach and cheese stuffed shells. You'll need your favorite sauce, ricotta cheese, Parmesan, garlic, spinach, an egg, jumbo shells, and your favorite red wine. I chose Merlot. Heat your pot on medium-high, and once warmed, add a drizzle of oil. Sauté minced garlic and add a sprinkle of salt until softened. Add your red wine of choice and stir until the liquid is mostly evaporated. Once most of the wine is absorbed, add your favorite sauce. I happen to have store-bought on hand, but if you have homemade, more power to you. Let the sauce simmer while we prep the shells. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add a handful of salt. Pasta water should be salty like the sea, because it's our only opportunity to flavor the pasta itself. Cook shells according to box directions until al dente. For the filling, add ricotta, freshly grated Parmesan, and the cooked spinach. I like to mix in batches to ensure an even mixture. I add dried parsley and nutmeg for warmth. I personally like a ton of garlic, but feel free to use as little or as much as you'd like. Be sure to give it a taste and make sure you're satisfied with seasoning before moving on to the next step. Once satisfied with the taste, add your whisked egg, which helps bind the cheese mixture. Ladle some sauce at the bottom of the baking dish. Then take a spoonful of filling and fill each shell. Add completed stuffed shells to the baking dish, cover with the remainder of the sauce. Bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes until they're warm and bubbly throughout. Enjoy!